In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, knowing how to crop a video is an essential skill to perfect your footage for creative or practical purposes. Cropping can help you focus on the most important parts of your video, remove unwanted elements, or simply achieve the perfect framing. With that in mind, let's dive into the process. First, ensure you're on the right track by opening DaVinci Resolve and navigating to the Edit page. It's the hub of cutting, trimming, and working in detail on your video clips. If you're not there already, look for the cut icon on the interface. It truly is the place where the magic begins for most editors. Once on the Edit page, it's crucial to pick the exact clip you want to work on. This means reviewing your timeline and simply clicking on the clip that needs cropping. A pro tip here is to make sure that your playhead rests over the clip you're selecting. This allows you to see any real-time effects or adjustments you're making in the preview window. After you've got your clip selected, direct your attention just beneath the preview window where you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this menu, and from the options presented, select Crop. This menu is a powerful feature that offers a variety of tools right at your fingertips. It's equally important to familiarize yourself with these options, as they can significantly speed up your workflow. Alternatively, if you feel more comfortable working with a bit more detailed control, the Inspector page is an excellent resource. When you head over to the Inspector on the right-hand side and activate the Crop section, you'll find various cropping options like top, bottom, left, and right. This gives you precise control over how much or how little you want to crop. Adjust each section based on what you're striving to achieve with your footage. Always keep an eye on the preview window during this process. Real-time feedback is one of DaVinci Resolve's strongest features, allowing you to perfect the framing and ensure you're not cropping out too much or too little of your video. Maintaining the balance of what to keep and what to remove can dramatically change the outcome of your video. Once satisfied with your crop adjustments, remember to play your video from the timeline to ensure everything looks just as you intended. This playback is crucial not only for cropping but for the entire editing process, as it confirms that all your changes comply with your creative vision. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to crop videos in DaVinci Resolve. By following these steps, you are well on your way to mastering the art of video editing, ensuring your footage is always presented exactly how you want.